Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. Now in this video we will do a depth review of T60X. So unboxing videos आपने बहुत देखा होगा, but मैं इस वीडियो के अंदर drop test करने वाला हूँ because this woofer is not that stable. This is what I feel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop this in this video और चेक करने वाले हैं ये कैसा ड्यूरेबिलिटी है इफ़ इन केस, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा शेक करता है हल्का हाथ लगने पे भी. सो अगर वो गिर जाता है, इफ़ इन केस वो अगर गिर जाता है, whether there would be a damage or not. Now also we will be showing you inside the woofer how it works, and this is really a nice speaker. So let's get started with this video without waiting. And if you want to check the unboxing video, I will share a link in the description below. आप उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं unboxing के लिए, डायमेंशन और ज़्यादा डिटेल्स के बारे में. ये वीडियो सिर्फ ड्यूरेबिलिटी टेस्ट होगा, इन डेप्थ रिव्यू. So let's get started with this video. So let's start the drop test from here. Let's do it from the other side. So the drop test was good and there was no basic damage here. Let's go ahead and switch on this device. देखते हैं ये काम करता है या नहीं करता है. So let's check it out. So let's begin the sound test.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Yes, the speakers are working and the durability for the speakers is great. So I have also showed you the woofer performance by removing this cover. So yeah, it was very good. Now talking about one con, no one has mentioned it yet on YouTube or any other feedback website or any other places. So the only problem which I feel about the speaker is this. Let me show you. Now can you listen this humming sound? I'll be quiet for a second. I hope you are able to notice this sound, the humming sound in this speaker, because itna noticeable hai. I hope the camera has detected that sound. So yeah, that is only the problem. If in case you have mute the volume, or if in case you are playing on 1 or 2 volume, 30 maximum जाता है, 1 या 2 पे आप बजाते हैं तो वो आपको हमिंग साउंड पता लगता है. Now if in case अगर आप हाई वॉल्यूम पे चलाते हैं उस समय ये नहीं पता लगता क्योंकि आवाज़ इतनी ज़्यादा होती है, ये हमिंग आवाज़ दब जाती है. सो दैट वाज द ड्यूरेबिलिटी टेस्ट, साउंड टेस्ट. तो और अनबॉक्सिंग का वीडियो का लिंक मैंने दिया ही हुआ है ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन पे. इफ़ इन केस यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग दो स्पीकर्स, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. Humming sound, let me close it. I've closed this speaker. If you have any questions regarding any of the speaker or this speaker, do let me know in the comments and I'll love to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because I really need your motivation. If in case you subscribe, I'll get motivated and I'll make such more videos for you. अगर ये टूट जाता, that would have been a loss to me. Anyways, I trust F&D and the build quality is very nice. Do subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you have liked the video. So let's end the video here. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.